Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about how to set up our VirtualBox in Mac. It will be a quick run through, so feel free to pause this video at any point in time. Let's begin. Firstly, head over to VirtualBox website and make sure that you download the version that is correct for our Mac computer. Once the installation is done, double click and open the package, and you will see this screen. If you already have VirtualBox installed in your computer and you're running into problems, try uninstalling and do a fresh installation. You may see this pop up, and what you can do is to press Command and Space to bring up your system preferences. Click into Security and Privacy, and you will notice this button over here. Click on that. Click Open, and you will see a terminal window pops up. Don't be scared. Click in Yes, press Enter, and you will complete your uninstallation. Now, do a fresh installation of VirtualBox. Do pay attention to this screen over here. Time to time, it may ask you for more permissions, so do enable those permissions to ensure that you have a proper installation of VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox, and yes, you can see this screen here. Click on New to start our installation. I'm installing Windows 10. By typing that in, the version will change accordingly. Continuing through, create a virtual hard drive, and select virtual hard disk. Select a fixed drive because that is deemed to be faster, and I allocate 200 GB for my drive. Moving forward, this is another problem that I faced which got me stuck for a moment. You see this error prompt over here when you try to add the disk location. So instead, what you can do is head over to Settings. Under Storage, click on the disk that you see right over there. Click on this little button. Choose a disk file. So at this point in time, hopefully you have already downloaded the ISO for Windows. If not, you can head over to Windows website for a copy of this ISO file. Here's a quick run through on how to get this file. I have already arrived at this link before, so if you have not already reached here, do a simple Google search and you should be able to find this link without any problem. Make sure you select the correct version for your computer, whether it is 64 or 32-bit. And now you can proceed to load that. If you have done the steps correctly, you should be able to see the file name right over there. And click on Start. And ta-da! VirtualBox is now ready to run and install your Windows. Great! So some other settings that I would like to recommend, which I found to be helpful, includes going over to the display and increasing the percentage to 200% so that we have a larger screen to look at. Here's an example. Yeah, so this is more visually friendly dimensions in my opinion. And you notice that VirtualBox is also pretty slow, so after you have installed your Windows, head over to Device and click on Insert Gas Addition CD Image and follow through the installation right over there. Congratulations! VirtualBox is up and running on your Mac now. Hope that you have received the help that you require, and I wish you all the best and have an awesome day ahead. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.